Pardon me for my English, okay? So, my English is not very good. Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to unbox uh, Oppo F9 Starry Purple Edition. Oh, goody, 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 goody. The phone was released in August 2018, but I managed to talk to a mobile retailer to give it to me for some time to unbox it. So let's not waste our time. So as you can see, the seal is broken because of the warranty and all of that stuff. So I'm lifting it, I'm lifting it. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Oh, here's the side. Oh, I should really. So here is the Oppo Starry Purple edition of F9. So let's keep it aside. And here's the box. So I've got charging cord, I've got adapter, I can draw this one, and I've got headphones. So there is nothing much left in the box. Oh, opening this, I get a new cover, jelly cover for my Oppo F9, and a pin to open the SIM slots. So let's start with the phone. The phone looked quite good with the top-notch design, and well, the cover is not coming up. Okay, so this is the new Oppo F9. Let's start it. Oppo. Okay, so Oppo has just started, and let me just do some settings. Okay, so the phone comes in two different variants, one with 4 GB RAM and 64 GB ROM. That's the one I have, and another one with 6 GB RAM and 128 GB ROM. That's quite a lot. So the standard price for this phone in Pakistan is around 38,000 and can go up to 40,000. Price for the second edition with 6 GB RAM and 128 GB ROM is around 45,000. So that's quite good, and because I'm sweating here, I've got prints all over the new phone, and that's not good. Let's start with it. So as you can see, the phone is quite good and the touch is awesome. The phone features a 6.3 inches Corning Gorilla Glass screen with 16.5 million colors or so, something like that, with a top-notch design, as you can see, or rather different one from the iPhone X and other all phones coming with top-notch design like Honor 8X and Vivo V11 Pro. They all come with various sensors in there, but I can't even see a single sensor in there, and I don't know why. The phone has dual SIM features, like you can use up to 2 SIMs at a time with it, and also has an option for you to add an SD card in it. Ports SD card of up to 256 GB. That's a lot more extensions. The phone has chipset which is MediaTek MT6771 Helio P60 12nm, and I don't know what that means. CPU, which is octa-core 4 into 2 GHz Cortex A73 and 4 into 2 GHz Cortex A53. That is quite fast. And a GPU, of course. Now mobiles also come with the GPU. Oppo F9 features GPU Mali 672 MP3, and I don't know what that means, and I don't care about that as long as we can play the best games on it. And guess what, we can do that on the phone. The phone runs on Android Oreo 8.1, and I don't know how much you can update it. So this is Oreo. So you can see the model number. I've named my device. Ma'am, I don't know, ma'am, I don't know, ma'am. Coming back to the main features, the phone has dual main cameras. The first one is 16 megapixel and the second one is 2 megapixels, and combined they give an awesome image like which is a 25 megapixel front camera, or I can say selfie camera. Oh, where's my head? Oh, where's my head? Oh, hello fans, how are you? The phone features a fingerprint sensor at the back, making it easy to unlock the phone. The Oppo F9 comes with good speakers, and I'm not a big fan of its speaker because according to me their sound quality and the voice and their audio clearance and that should be more improved. So I'm not satisfied with the audio quality of the speakers, but yeah, it has a good it is normal, you can just. But finally, the best part about it, the Oppo F9 features a 35 mAh battery that comes with a fast charging features and can give a talk time of up to 2 hours in just 5 minutes charge. And my friend uses this phone and he says that 100% charge lasts for almost 2 days while he plays games on it, he do regular calls on it, he runs different applications on it. But as time passes, the battery capacity and all that decreases, but for new users the battery is bye. So that's all from this Oppo F9 unboxing review. This is my first review and I don't know how it went, but make sure you subscribe to my channel, you leave some comments in there and tell me about different things, but please don't complain about my English because I know my English sucks. So okay, I am a Desi Pakistani and my English sucks, so please don't comment about my English. Okay, my English is not very good. Okay.